Welcome to Lanao del Sur. Lanao del Sur is a province located in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. And Lanao del Sur is known for its rich cultural heritage. So, in case of famous place, madaming sikat na lugar sa Lanao del Sur. At isa sa pinakasikat na lugar dito ay ang Lake Lanao. Because Lake Lanao is the largest lake in Mindanao that offers a breathtaking sight that's surrounded by lush forests and mountains. And next, let's proceed to local delicacies. Ang local delicacies nila ay influence ng Malay, Arab, at Filipino tradition. Isa sa pinakasikat na delicacies sa Lanao del Sur ay ang tinatawag na dodol that's made from stick rice, sugar, and coconut milk. Also, expect nyo na rin sa Lanao del Sur ang kanilang fresh seafood, rice, and various spices.
Okay, let's tackle about the officially province of Basilan. Basilan is an island province of the Philippines located primarily in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. Basilan Island is the largest and northernmost of the major islands of the Sulu archipelago. It is just off the southern coast of the geographic Zamboanga Peninsula. How about the famous delicacy of Basilan? Basilan is having a famous food called panyam, also spelled panyalang. It's a popular Filipino Bangsamoro snack, a fried rice pancake made with glutinous rice, brown sugar, and coconut milk. It's known for its unique puff-up, round shape, often thicker in the center, and is a common dish among Muslims in Mindanao, especially kung meron silang events. How about their famous attraction? Basilan is having a Malamawi White Beach, a stunning beach with powdery white sand and crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing.
Lake Cebu is one of the most important watersheds in the Philippines and is a major irrigation provider to South Cotabato and Sultan Kudarat. It is also known for its natural wonders, ecotourism, and ubo and tiboli tribes. One of the famous delicacies of Maguindanao is pastil. Ang pastil po ay Filipino dish na gawa sa steamed rice na binalot sa dahon ng saging. Pwede din po ilagay doon ay beef, chicken, or fish. It originates po from the Mindanao people and is a popular cheap breakfast meal in Mindanao, especially po sa mga Muslim Filipinos. Pastil is also known as patil, papel, patir, or pater in Maranao, and pastel in Iranao.
Hello everyone, now is we will tackle about the province of Cebu. Cebu is the province of the Philippines located in Cebu Archipelago, part of Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. Ang Cebu Bato is located in Cebu Archipelago. According to research po, Cebu is one of the most dangerous province in Mindanao because of crimes and terrorism po there. Jolo is the capital of Cebu. Jolo is the largest and most important island of Cebu. Ang capital po ng Cebu is Jolo. Famous places in Cebu. Maubo Beach. Maubo Beach is known for having a 1 kilometer powdery white sand. And Maubo Beach daw po is the famous places in Cebu because of its white sand po. Dinarayot po ito dahil sa kanyang maputing sand. Delicacies. Famous delicacies in Jolo, Cebu is Tiyula Ipon. Tiyula Ipon is made of burnt coconut and protein source, usually beef or pork. Ang Tiyula Ipon po is made of beef or goat. Beef soup po or goat soup.
Good day everyone, I will discuss famous tourists and famous food in Tawi-Tawi. Tawi-Tawi, a province in the Philippines, is known for its diverse natural attraction and rich cultural heritage. Some of the most famous tourist spots include the historical Sheikh Karim Ul Maktoum Mosque in Simunul, considered the first mosque in the Philippines. TripAdvisor says Panampangan Island, known for its long sandbar and beautiful beaches, is also a popular destination. Other attractions include the Balobok Cave, Luok, Baan-Cabadjao Village, and the Sitangkay area, known for its commercial activity. Famous foods in Tawi-Tawi. Tawi-Tawi is known for its seafood-centric cuisine with dishes like kahanga, randang, and chicken siyanggang. Being popular, the region economy also relies heavily on agriculture, fishing, and seaweed farming, making seafood a staple in their diet. Agal-agal seaweed salad is other notable dish, and the region even hosts an annual Agal-agal festival to celebrate its bounty.